Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some new products to share with you today. One of them is very, very special to me. It's Jeremiah 29:11, and I'll read. It's a big stamp. Look at that big stamp. The crosses are separate, but I was also able to fit another one on there. So let me read it to you. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. Then at the bottom, it has be joyful in hope, patient and affliction, be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. Romans 12:12. Perfect for cards and people that need prayer. I have lots of samples to share. Also, this item's really funny because I designed it for me. It took me like 15 different, not 15, it was probably like 5 different prototypes. Finally got it right, got to use the prototypes for what I needed it for, and now I have them and I'm like, well, I guess I should offer it to everybody. So what is it? We have Thanksgiving every year at our home. And I wanted the table. I remember the table cards, place cards that I came out with just not that long ago. These coordinate with that. So what it is it's napkin rings. Because here's the deal. I did not want to go to one of the big stores, and I had done this in the past, and through all our moves, we lost them. But I wanted some beautiful napkin rings without spending a fortune. And the best part about this is every year you can have different ones, but you're only making one purchase because they're dies. 3 different dies, 1, 2, 3. There's a burlap one, a leaf one, and a diamond plaid one. And I have lots of samples to share with you and other ways to use it. Here we go. Last but not least, this one's going to be kind of weird, but trust me, it will make sense. This one is what Graceful Add-on Die set. So we have pray, thanks, sorry, hugs, and party. 5 different words. Now, wouldn't it be awesome if there's a stand-up that matches this? There is, but it's not coming out till next month. There's a big old reason for it. But needless to say, these 5 dies are add-ons to that set. Get them now while they're on flash sale, right? Now, let's look at all of our samples. First of all, look at, here's my, oh, you can't see my napkin because it's black. Here's my napkin that I would put down on my table, right? But look at this beautiful napkin ring. So it's, I don't know who made this one because it doesn't say, but it has Velcro. She used Velcro, so she can use these over and over again. She just bought a Velcro dot. There it is. See the Velcro dot. Cut it in half, but look at how gorgeous this is. Imagine putting this on your Thanksgiving table or your party table. Not all of them are fall themed. So there we go. That's one option. Here's another one that's rainbow. So see, I said you could do anything. Again, you can roll it around and put that on your napkin. Here's a cute one that you're just going to roll around and put it on your napkin. But remember I said there's other ways to use it. You could put it on a 5x7 gatefold card. Add Happy Fall up at the top. Open this up. Look how beautiful that is. And look at that. Take the time to enjoy the colors of autumn. Isn't that beautiful? But look how fun that is. I love that. So different, right? Different. And let me tell you, I just used it. What did I end up using for our Thanksgiving? I do believe I used this diamond one to start. But next year or this year, I might use a different one. Now, here we go. Let's look at that stamp set. So here we go. The Romans 12:12 on the front. This is on our A2 fold-over card. Open it up, and then the Jeremiah 29:11 on the inside. Love it. Or you could make it a banner. Perfect for people to put on their wall, next to their desk, anywhere they're going to see it every single day. What a special way to do it. Also, this is using the Flip It flowers from the large circle. But isn't that beautiful? I love it. And the hanging bulbs, I think it is, stencil. Let's look at more. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? So beautiful. Perfect for sharing. Here's another one on an A2 card base. Look at that. It fits perfectly on an A2 card base, you guys. Look how beautiful that is. And you can use the Romans one on the inside as well. Here's another one for I know the plans I have for you. Open it up. Hugs. There we go. That's up now. That's up next. Check this out. Look, oh, that was a good segue. I didn't even realize that one. You could make it a keychain, a stuffy keychain. Isn't that the cutest thing you ever saw? I love it. Now let's look at some other samples. Here we go. You could make that a shaker on the inside. Look at this. Who did this one? Yvette. This could be a gift card hiding on the inside. I love that. And then I'm not going to be able to get it back in. There we go. Look how cute that is. Let's celebrate sprinkling you with birthday wishes. Love it. Or it could be simple like this. Look at how beautiful that is. And when you do that, you're going to make a couple. Perfect for craft fairs to sell these. No one's going to have something that looks like this, right? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Oh, here's another Jeremiah. So beautiful. I love that font, the font and of course, the quote. Here we go. Watch this. Party. This is the Flip It. Yes, they fit on the Flip It. So that's going to be one of your questions. Yes, they fit on the Flip It. And sneak peek for the stand-up. Sneak peek coming soon. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Pray. So in that set, you are getting pray, party, thanks, hugs, and pray, thanks, sorry. You're also getting sorry. So you can also say sorry if you need to, but look how fun those are. And they're nice and large too. So my friends, first 24 hours, you know the rules. On flash sale. If you miss out the first 24 hours, our everyday low price is just almost as good, but not quite. Go to our website, thestamsoflife.com. I will see you there. Bye-bye. subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you